Hey y'all, welcome back to Kooks. It's your girl Keisha Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lower carb fettuccine alfredo. For the sauce, you will need minced garlic, heavy whipping cream, black pepper, salt, and some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, butter and cream cheese, and a carrot. I am doing a personal serving size for myself, and yeah, so this is like a lower carb option. I've really been craving fettuccine alfredo, but I've also been trying to be mindful of my carb intake, so this is so delicious, you guys. As you can see, I am shaving off the first layer of the carrot, tossing that, and now I'm going to shave the rest of the carrot into a container to get ready to saute in a pan. You guys, this is so simple. As you can see, I am using this very like cheap type razor, vegetable razor. You can find them at Walmart, Target, really anywhere, and they're not expensive at all. And once you are done shaving your carrot, this is what it should look like. It looks pretty darn similar to fettuccine noodles. I am just warming up some butter and some olive oil, getting ready to add in my carrots. You're just gonna saute these carrots until they are tender enough to easily break apart. Now on to the sauce. I just added in a tad bit of minced garlic, and I'm just going to brown that for a few moments. Not really sure what happened to this footage, but I did add in my heavy whipping cream a little bit at a time. Brought it to a simmering boil, added in my cream cheese, my mozzarella cheese, and my Parmesan cheese. I do prefer to grate the Parmesan cheese myself just because it tastes better. My favorite brand is Belgio, so cannot pronounce it right, but here I'm just letting it thicken, come together. Add your seasonings to taste, and I paired this with some salmon. Y'all, it was so freaking good. I'm gonna add in a clip of me tearing this up because you listen, it was so good, okay? And it felt like I was eating Alfredo, like fettuccine Alfredos with the actual carby noodles, but I wasn't. And that just makes this even better, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!